Hey friends, if you encounter the issue of mscoree.dll not found on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, interestingly, whenever I find any issue with these DLL files and I do not know the solution, I check for it on the Microsoft Answers forum and I pick those solutions in which a lot of users have confirmed that it worked. So this has a very simple solution which I guessed earlier. Press the Windows key and the R button together. Type optionalfeatures.exe and click on OK. Wait for it to load. Expand the list for .NET Framework 3.5. Now this would be on the top of the list since it's in alphabetical order. Check all of these boxes, all three of them. Click on OK and make sure that it replicates these features. It would need a while for that. Once this is done, it should fix the issue in 95% cases, but for the remaining 5% cases, you can always perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Now in the elevated command prompt window, type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. This will surely fix the problem. If this was helpful, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.